Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Run the following command to add the Zeek repository to your Ubuntu system. Now download and add GPG key for Zeek repository with the next command. Once the Zeek GPG key and repository are added, run the apt-update command. You can now run apt command to check the Zeek packages. You will see the multiple version of Zeek. Now install Zeek with the following command. After the installation is finished, add the next directory to the system path by running next commands. Lastly, run the Zeek command below to check the Zeek version and basic commands options. Open the Zeek network configuration file and input your network subnet of target servers like the following. Save and close the file, then open the Zeek node configuration by running next command. Comment the following lines to disable Zeek standalone mode and paste the following configuration to run Zeek in the cluster mode within a single server. Make sure to change the IP address with your Ubuntu server IP. Next, run the following command to verify your Zeek syntaxes. If your proper configuration, you'll see an output, scripts are OK. Now run the deploy command to deploy your Zeek installation. With this, Zeek logger, manager, proxy and workers will be started. You can check each Zeek component with the following command. That's it, now you can start work with Zeek. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.